Hi, Jethro Timberwolf here. Behind the camera, we have a 2010 Pro MP. It's got the 2-strand live deck, 37 horse Yanmar engine. We'll flip the camera around right now and show you. We took it in on trade, and we went through it, did a service, changed some fluids. It's got a 4-way wedge, 6-way wedge. If you look, this one's actually custom because it's bent, so we'll probably throw a different wedge in there. Follow me around here. We got a hoist control, auto cycle, 4-inch cylinder. Looks like everything's in pretty good shape here. Bar is all nice and full. Got a little block heater plug right there. That's cool. One of my favorite features is the Bluetooth live deck lift on this thing. And I'll go ahead and I'll show you right now. That's pretty nice. So if you come around here, got a battery, obviously. It's got a 2 5/16 ball coupler. No back roll on these older machines. On the Pro MPs, it's not a big deal. They only have a 2-strand live deck. They take a lot shorter logs. Everything will feed just fine on there. You'll notice on this, it has a winch that runs the live deck, unlike some of the newer machines that have a hydraulic cylinder. You got a fuel tank here. You got your hydraulic oil tank here. That's all topped off nice and full. Everything on this is in pretty good working order. We'll fire it up, split some logs, and see how she runs. I had to come in and make a couple phone calls. As you can see, it's a pretty good machine. It's got about, I think, 889 hours on it. If you want to take a look at it, or you know, if you want to have it delivered to your door, you need to call 970-222-0975. We want about $29.5 for it.